Hey everybody, Matt here for AVC. Today we're doing a little upholstery extras video. Some of those things that didn't quite fit into the other videos, but are still important nonetheless. So today we're going to be installing our rear door latches, as well as upholstering our driver's side Cpillar. Stick around, maybe you'll learn something. Let's get to work. We're here at the back doors of the van, and now that we've finished our upholstery work, you're going to find it challenging to locate and reinstall your rear door brackets. First step is to close our doors so that we can locate the positioning of these brackets easily. So I just dry fit my bracket into the rear door latch so I can get my positioning correct. Then I can mark on the ceiling with a Sharpie our approximate position. With our whole positions marked, let's just take something sharp like an awl and poke through here to locate those threads hidden behind the upholstery. Then, using a T40, we're going to reinstall the bracket into that location. And give it a test. With a successful install on our driver's side, we'll repeat the steps on our passenger. With our second bracket installed, let's test it out. Perfect. Looks like they're both in alignment. We're ready to put our trim covers on. Installing the covers is just like taking them off. We're just going to run them in backwards. So fit them on from the back, nice and tight to the ceiling, and a little firm pressure. There we go. These can be tricky, so don't be shy about giving them firm pressure, but make sure they're in alignment first. There we go. Installed. I'm here in the middle of the van on the driver's side at our Cpillar. We're going to fur out this concave section with a piece of 1/4-inch birch so we can get a nice flat plane for our wall kit to meet up on. So we're going to take a piece of birch. We want to line it up between these two flat sections here, and that's where the plastics are going to fit in a passenger van. So we'll just take a piece of 1/4-inch birch, a couple of self-tapping sheet metal screws. With 4 screws in, this section is ready for upholstery. To prepare our Cpillar for upholstery, we just need to add foam from here down to the bottom. Because these parts are going to be exposed outside of our wall kit, we want to add foam and fabric to those. But some places like this, there's no need for foam because it's going to be completely covered. Okay, just like on our other pillars, we're going to line up our foam with the top of our flooring here. With our landau trimmed and in place, we're ready to glue the entire section in preparation for fabric. Our glue's had a couple seconds to tack up, and we're ready to install our fabric. I like to start at the bottom, just like all of our other pillars. And let's tack it in place. We can hold it there, and we can stretch our fabric up into position. I'm just going to use some of the scrap from this back side of this section here to finish out the seam here. No reason to do a nice trimmed edge, anything like that. It's all going to get covered by wall kit. Perfect. Now if we have any little gap here between our wall kit, it's going to be the same fabric that our walls are made of. Thanks for watching our Upholstery Extras video. I hope you found this content helpful. If so, hit that like button so others can find it as well. And if you're not subscribed yet, and 70% of you aren't, please do so. It helps the channel a lot. With that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.